In this video, we're going to show you how to uninstall and install a side mount auxiliary on an MCG 65 amp 3-pole contactor. All MCG contactors are going to come with a side mount auxiliary of some sort of configuration. On this one, you can see we have a one normally open, one normally closed configuration. So simply to uninstall, we're just going to lift up on it, the top will pull out, and the auxiliary will slide right off. So if you need to put it back on, you'll take it, you'll line up the two little grooves with the two little notches on here, and it'll simply click right back on. If additional switching circuits are needed, here at MCG, we do offer front mount auxiliaries for all MCG 9 amp to 150 amp contactors. This one here is 4 normally open, so simply to install, just take it, slides right on top, and you'll hear it click, and you're good to go.
Contactors, along with hundreds of other products, are available at mcg-usa.com.